Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert grid lines in Microsoft Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Grid lines help give you visual cues when you're formatting and all this. You can align shapes and other objects in your PowerPoint slides and Word documents and distinguish between cell boundaries in any section of your spreadsheet and workbooks in cell. So how to insert uh, grid lines on your Microsoft Word document. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Microsoft. You can open the blank document. In here, as you can see in here, there's no grid lines on my document or document. Now you want to put grid lines on this paper. So you can go to preview menu or menu bar in here. You can click on layout. Now you can click on aligned and you'll find there is an option grid settings. You can just click on that. You can choose in here on the grid settings. You can custom the size like for the horizontal spacing, vertical spacing size, and the grid origin. I will just use the default settings. Now you can click on checklist on display grid lines on screen like this. Now don't forget to click on OK. So here you go. Here are the grid lines on your Word document. It's so simple, right? So that is how to insert grid lines on Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!